Welcome to Christ College, Hynrei. Established in 2022 by the Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa, we offer a 4-year undergraduate program in subjects like economics, education, English, geography, history, khasi, political science, and sociology. Boost your learning with VAC, SEC, MDC, and AEC courses, or gain practical skills through vocational training in tailoring, embroidery, and mushroom cultivation. At Christ College, learning is joyful, holistic, and life-shaping. Admissions open now. Visit our website or contact the college office to know more. Christ College, where dreams take flight. Menteri Ketenat Revenue ba Disaster Management ba Kyrmen Shylla henegasni ulong ba kum ketenat hi watla kim tip Lypa Lano Hangno Khubor kamariang ken lingshop Hynrei kilaong ki ba Pynkhreh ban ai ya kejingada ka ba kerke na ka benta ki lanot ki ba kendu ya ki jingja sha lingshop mariang ta ka ba kentui ki pat ba bakin long ki ba pet ngor bha ha ka ni ka ayom slab Menteri uong ru ba dei tang da ka jinga trelang nadu Khubor ai jingarap rengkat ki pat ba klam artatien kinla ban yada bat pelat na kijingja bas ngosi kibajujia man usnem.
And even this time also we have seen Meghalaya is a place where we have been hit by rain and one of the heaviest rainfall. So no doubt we are preparing for that in our capacity. But the only way to tackle this is that we work unanimously, work together. So give your extended hand, support each other. That is the best solution. We can help each other. So the department is doing the best we can to support, to give full protection as much as we can. That is our commitment. We do prepare because when it comes to natural calamities, we really don't know what's next. Do we have different kind of mechanism, protection, and then the prediction? But in the end, sometimes it just happens where out of our control. But still, whatever we can, we will try our best. And the government is with us, and the public is with us. It's very difficult to predict, but though they have different kind of mechanism for prediction, but we cannot say what is next. The only thing is that to be alert, as been mentioned from time to time, we have this different kind of alert system. So hopefully the public utilize that and then make use of it. We might not be able to predict 100%, but whatever is we predict, it might be chances, at least 50-50 chances to happen or not to. So there are times that we predict it might not be rain, then we saw suddenly rain. So all these things, we cannot just rely 100% on that, but preparation, and then that is the best way I can say that we should be prepared. Not just from the department or the government, the public as a whole.